share with you. We are going to focus on these topics we have here, just up there, and we are going to talk about link to WhatsApp chat, why you need it, how to use it, when to use it, and what you need to do to automate your selling process. That's the idea. That's what we want to cover. What means link to WhatsApp chat? I mean, this is something I want I want to share with you. Every day we have hundreds of businesses creating just that. This is education in India, for example. They create this beautiful landing page. You click and you have the link to WhatsApp chat. That's it. That's as simple as can be. This one is a clothing store in Argentina, the same clothing store in Singapore. You name it. I mean, you have literally every day hundreds of businesses just doing that, no? Just creating the link to WhatsApp chat. Why? Because you need to share your business with your customers. You need to be more accessible. You need to be easier to reach. So you need to share the link to WhatsApp chat. So this link you have here, the link you create for your business, is something you are going to share in Instagram, in Facebook, you name it. No, that's completely up to you. No, that's whatever you prefer to use. The social media can be YouTube, can be Twitter, but we know Instagram and Facebook are the two most popular ones. So use it. Use your link to WhatsApp chat. That's it. Why you need it? Because, and this is super important, when you go to Facebook, you don't go to the profile of the business. That's very rare. Normally, when you go to Facebook, what you see is the let me go to Facebook, to the homepage. When I go to Facebook, I see my wall. I see my news feed. No, I see the latest post, no, from different companies, and it's very rare for me, and I guess for you as well, to go to that business profile. Normally, you read what they share, and that's it. So what you need to do is, in your news update, in your post, is where you need to share your link to WhatsApp. For example, this one is a news. Is news about a watch. I like it. I don't know what's here down here. Let's see what I have in my news feed. Well, takes a little to load, but for example, this is a news. This is an update, no, from a website. I can click here and go to the website. The same is going to be rare for me to do it. Normally, I will read everything here. No, this is an update from a colleague. So that's great. This company, no, is invite me to go to their website. The same, it's fine, but it's better if you share your link to WhatsApp. So what I will do is just here, what's on your mind? Let's see if this works. Okay, now I can create my post. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share an update, but with a link to my WhatsApp. So I put it here. And I'm going to say, hey, we have news and, well, I don't know why it's so slow. Anyway, you can share your update, and the call to action is going to be your link to WhatsApp chat. That's it. You don't want them to go to your website. Maybe there is no website at all. You don't need to get an email. For what? I mean, you want them to go to your WhatsApp. That's it. So that's the reason why you need it, why you need your link, because they don't go to your profile. They see the update, they see the news, they see the posts, they see the update. In the update is where you need to share your link to WhatsApp chat. Okay, so that's what I think is really different, and that's what really makes the the user, to jump to your WhatsApp. So that's the idea. How to use it? How you do it? Here you put your phone number. You choose here. Let me choose my country. It's Spain in this case. So I choose my country, and then I put my phone number. Okay, and then I will say link to WhatsApp, and I can say like, hey, I want more information as a welcome message, and that's it. That's what I need to do to get my link to WhatsApp. Let's see what's happening here. Get the link. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Let me reload just in case. Okay, let's do it again. Into WhatsApp. Hey, I want more information, and get the link. Okay, because I have my account. You can create your account so you can manage your links. That's the same. It's optional. If you want to do it, you can do it. I can log in, and now I have my link to WhatsApp. I have my stats here. I have bookings, views from Instagram, my page. I have different links here. Each link has, its unique URL, so that's something you can change. You can create as many as you want, because you may want to know what's going on in each one. Okay, like you want to see, if this one works better than the other one, or if Instagram is working better than Facebook. That's something you can test with different links to the same phone number, but you can test which channel is working better for you. You can complete your profile here. That's something you can do, and you are set. When you have your link, copy, and you go to Instagram or Facebook, YouTube, whatever, and you put it. It's like that. I mean, there is no much to do with the link to WhatsApp. Let's go to so you can see how it's done. Let's go to, I edit my profile, and as you can see, I have here my link to WhatsApp. You can share it here in the website field is where you put it. Okay, that's it. I mean, it's like super easy to do, super convenient. So I guess makes sense just to do it. Okay, now what happens? What happens when someone starts contacting you? The problem is, if you do well, you will receive a lot of messages. Like you can receive hundreds of messages. So what you need to do? First, you need to use WhatsApp Business. I think that's it's a free application. It's designed for businesses, but it's very easy to use. So please go and get WhatsApp Businesses. Okay, you can use WhatsApp Businesses in your computer. You can use WhatsApp Businesses in your phone. So it's the same. It's a free application for you to use. What's good about WhatsApp Business? You can automate the welcome message, that we use this one, and the away message. So you don't need to be on your phone all the time, but the user will receive an automated reply. and that's very good. The welcome message, what we do, we send some updates so the user knows something new about what we do, new content, etc. And then we share like very clear steps about what they need to do. Step 1, create your link. Step 2, share your link. Step 3, create a WhatsApp poll. Step 4, learn more. Step 5, go to YouTube. That's it. Very clear, very clear what you need to do. You need to do the same. You need to automate as much as you can your selling process. What the user needs to do to get in business with you. What you are selling. If you are selling goods, services, I don't know, whatever you do, explain to the user clearly what he needs to do to get business done with you. Send me information, share your project, tell me what you need to get done, share with me more information, whatever. You need to ask the user what he needs to do. You need to explain clearly what he needs to do, and that's it. And the customer will understand that to work with you he needs to do A, B, C, D, or A, B. That's it, 2 steps, fine. Share it, automate it, so the customer knows what they need to do. If you are online, just take over and reply to your customer. But if not, make it super easy for the customer to understand what they need to do. Okay, and that's it. That's super easy. Link to WhatsApp chat, that's the way to do it. And please, if you have questions, comments, share it with us. All right, thank you. Bye.